Hello everyone, welcome to Marvel Quiz. Let us know in the comments how many of these you got right. So get ready for the quiz. 3, 2, 1. What is the name of Thor's hammer? It's Mjolnir. What is Captain America's shield made of? Made of vibranium. Before becoming Vision, what was the name of Iron Man's AI butler? His name was Jarvis. What is the real name of the Black Panther? His name is T'Challa. What is the alien race Loki sends to invade Earth in the Avengers? The aliens were called the Chitauri. Who was the last holder of the Space Stone before Thanos claimed it for his Infinity Gauntlet? With Loki. What fake name does Natasha use when she first meets Tony? Natalie Rushman. In the 2012 movie, The Avengers features Captain America. What is his real name? His name is Steve Rogers. Who is the leader of SHIELD? He's Nick Fury. Which superhero does Bruce Banner transform into? Hulk. Who is Loki's adoptive brother? Loki's brother is Thor. What's the name of the mysterious blue glowing cube that Loki uses as a weapon? Tesseract. In which U.S. city do the Avengers battle the Chitauri? It was New York. Who diverts a nuclear missile into a wormhole and defeats the Chitauri army? Iron Man. In Avengers Age of Ultron, what is the name of the villain who wants to destroy Earth? It's Ultron. What is Clint Barton's superhero name? It's Hawkeye. In Avengers Infinity War, what is the name of the villain who's on a mission to collect the Infinity Stones? Thanos. Which Marvel character has never appeared in the Avengers films? The Wrath. What's Agent Coulson's first name? It's Phil Coulson. Who originally created the Avengers watching. If you liked the video, consider liking and sharing the video. Subscribe to the channel for more. Also, let us know in the comments which quiz would you like to see next. Bye.